So we're going to the Lindt factory, home of the chocolate. So I'm here now, and we're going to the front of the Lindt. But here's the way to the front. So that's it. We're going to the front of the Lindt. Okay. Let's see here. In Kilchberg. Here. There you are. That's the front. But it's a walk from the Kilchberg station to here. So that's the Lindt. So we're now in Lindt's shop. This is the inside of the Lindt factory. Yeah. So there's the tutorial, the tour. Yeah. So we're going to go there, but we're done. So going to the Lindt shop now to see the chocolates. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Oh, look at the Lindt factory shop.
Volley open.